In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wise account in Jamaica. By the end, you'll have your account started and ready for the next steps using just your phone. Make sure you have the official Wise app installed and a reliable internet connection so everything goes smoothly. Begin by opening the Wise app on your mobile device. If it prompts you to update, do that first so you're working with the latest version. On the first screen, look for the option to register. This is different from logging in. Registration is for creating a brand new account. Enter your email address. Choose one you check frequently, since Wise will use it for important notifications and security alerts. After you submit your email, go to your inbox to verify it and click a confirm in the message from Wise. If you don't see it right away, give it a minute and check your spam or junk folder. Once confirmed, return to the app and continue. Tap next to move forward. You'll be asked to choose between a personal account and a business account. Personal is best if you're sending or receiving money for yourself. Business is for companies or freelancers who want to keep payments separate for work. Pick the one that fits your needs today. You can explore other options later if your situation changes. Now, select your country or region. Use the search field to find Jamaica, then tap it. This ensures your account details and available features are set correctly for Jamaica, including currency options and local requirements. Tap Continue to proceed, and then tap Next when prompted to keep moving through the setup. Wise will now ask for your phone number. Enter a number that you actively use and can receive texts on. Because you selected Jamaica earlier, the correct country code should appear automatically. This number helps protect your account with security checks and alerts, so make sure it's accurate. When you're ready, tap Send Code. Wise will text you a verification code. Keep the app open and your phone nearby so you see the message as soon as it arrives. If the code takes a moment, stay patient and ensure you have a good signal. Never share verification codes with anyone. They're meant to keep your account safe. That's it for the initial setup. You've started your Wise account for Jamaica and you're on the right track. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete additional verification if asked, and keep your information consistent and truthful to avoid delays. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Wise with confidence.